Ever wonder why your money disappears so fast, even when you're trying to be careful? For many people in the UK, it's not low income keeping them broke. It's small budgeting mistakes repeated every month. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize they're making them. In this video, I'll break down 5 budgeting mistakes keeping Brits stuck financially, and exactly how to fix them. Mistake 1. Not tracking where money goes. One of the biggest budgeting mistakes is guessing instead of tracking. Most people know roughly what they earn, but not exactly where it all goes. Small daily spending adds up fast. Takeaways. Coffee runs. Random online shopping. Forgotten subscriptions. The fix is simple. Track every expense for 1 month. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even notes on your phone. Once you see the leaks, you can finally control them. Mistake 2. Budgeting without an emergency fund. A budget without emergency savings falls apart quickly. One surprise expense and suddenly credit cards go up, loans increase, savings disappear. That's why an emergency fund matters. Start small if needed. Even saving £500 to £1,000 can reduce financial stress massively. The goal is to stop emergencies from turning into debt. Mistake 3. Lifestyle inflation. When people earn more, they often spend more immediately. Better phone. More nights out. Bigger car payment. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly destroys progress. The fix? Every time your income increases, save or invest part of the extra money before upgrading your lifestyle. Enjoy your money. Just don't let spending grow faster than your future. Mistake 4. Relying too much on credit. Credit cards can feel harmless at first. But relying on debt to maintain your lifestyle is dangerous. Minimum payments keep people trapped for years. The fix is learning to separate wants from needs. If possible, pay off high-interest debt aggressively. Avoid buying things just because monthly payments look small. Use credit carefully, not emotionally. Debt should be controlled, not normalized.
Mistake 5. Having no long-term plan. Many people budget just to survive the month. But budgeting works best when connected to bigger goals. Without goals, it's easy to lose motivation and overspend. Your budget should support things like emergency savings, investing, buying a home, financial freedom. The fix is giving every pound a purpose. When money has direction, decisions become easier. Budgeting isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. Most financial stress comes from habits repeated over time. Fix these 5 mistakes, and you'll start keeping more money, reducing stress, and building real financial stability. Small changes today can completely change your future. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical money content made simple. And watch the previous video on how beginners can start investing step by step in the UK. See you in the next video.